Right, just before we sell that product, I'm going to add a discount code so that I don't have to mess about with my card, right? So I'm going to go back into admin. So wherever you are on your site, you just type /admin. You might have an admin button on there somewhere. But I'm just going to create a discount code, right? So over here, we can go create a discount code. It's going to give me options, right? What discount code? I'm just going to put free, right? Free. You could put FB1 for Facebook or Sarah 10, whatever it might be, right? Percentage. Do I want it to be a percentage of the price? A fixed amount? Free shipping? Buy X, get Y. Buy this product, get that Y. I'm just going to go product. I'm just going to do percentage of the cart, free. Entire order. Obviously, I can do a specific collections or products if I want to filter to something that's so filter the amount of items they're allowed to buy on that. Minimum requirement, they've got to pay a certain amount. That's pretty much for like if you get free shipping, pay 50 quid, get free shipping. Everybody or specific customers, if you've got customer groups. Usage limits, limit the number of times this can be used. So let's say 5. Limit to 1 customer, so I could add a customer. And limit the dates it can be used. Set an end date if you want. Set a discount code. So now I've got a discount code that is simply free, right? Really easy.